Standing in the cold and the frozen wind, I'm leaving you behind, but it's not the end, no.
Lads, thank you so much for having a chat with us, and obviously for coming here today, because it's a very worthy cause. So what made you want to be part of it?
I think everybody gets bullied at some point in their life. It's an amazing cause, and the important thing is that kids don't feel alone and that they have a support network around them, and that they can talk about it, and the Diana Awards promotes that and makes people aware of it.
Just talking about raging is absolutely awesome. Working with Kygo must have been pretty sick. So how did that come about? Who made the first move, and were you kind of like yes from the start?
It was kind of interesting. A guy called James Bay, he's a singer-songwriter.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Never heard of him. He's this up-and-coming guy. He's really good, man. Just check him out. But yeah, he actually co-wrote that song, and
You were like, we usually don't take things from people we don't know, but
pretty much, like, you know, it's a completely new experience for us. And I went into a studio and just kind of messed around with the song, and then the Kygo loved it, and it was released. So it was very quick, you know.
You guys being in studio at the moment, does that mean that we might hear some new tracks that you've been kind of bashing together at the moment?
We've been known to do it on tours, but I'd say we're going to keep this one hidden and keep quiet about it.
Just not tell you, really.
Yeah, just not play any songs and then just release it and then see what people think, and hopefully they like it.
Lads, good to see you again.
Good to see you as well.
It's a good day on Facebook.
Yes.
Feeling some good vibes at the moment.
So many good vibes being here for all the vibes when you're close nearby. I feel them butterflies. Kodaline here, so like we're hoping they let us join the band. They said we can go to Marley Park, so hopefully we'll be like on stage. But that's what we're here for, is to show these kids that it's okay to celebrate your imperfections and your own uniqueness. Because like none of us would be anywhere we are today if we didn't keep going with our uniqueness. Because I feel like these kids, they stop being unique. They stop, like, they hide who they are.
They suppress the things about them that would make them stand out. Yeah, totally.
John, like, even stuff you've done in the past, you just have to let it go. Go to happen. It happened. Like, we have our YouTube videos. And you're like, oh God, I don't want to watch that. But you just accept it, all got you where you were, so it's all good.
What I loved was when you were talking there, you were saying about all the people that, you know, might have wronged you in your life, and you mentioned ex-managers. What was that about?
Yeah, I feel like there's people in your life who are all smiles and they're collecting all those big, massive 6-digit checks. But when they're going through the hard times, other people are trying to make big, and they're spending all this money when they put no money or even bought a cup of coffee for you in the shop. And it's all right though, I'm okay with it.
Everything's good, everything's great. It's great to be here in headquarters of Facebook, first time here. So
It's a weird one to come into, isn't it? You're like, oh my God, is this where, oh my God, which server has my profile on it?
Oh, everything.
Where can I delete it? Oh. And what about you for the next year? What's the plan? Are you busy?
Chilling out for the next year. We're not touring until next March, so we've a bit of time off. Dad always says he doesn't judge success by money, he judges by the amount of time he can get off. So we get to spend plenty of time with the kids, and yeah, we've got little bits and pieces with BBC to do, and we've got a live.
Hear about the live episode. So how's that going to go down?
I don't know. It's going to be interesting.
You guys are so accustomed, I guess, to doing the live stage shows, so surely it's just going to be applying that to a TV show.
Well, the live show on stage, there's nobody there to tell you to stop. In BBC there is, so I don't know how far they're going to let them go. And I've seen some of the stuff they cut out of the show. So.